So let's get started. So to get started, I'm going to go into my coding space again. I'm just going to type it up. And I'm going to show you how to create a new project. So what I'd like you to do is click this new button here, and you can create a folder. We recommend that you create all your files that are associated with a project in a folder, so that when you publish them for, like when you're publishing it for other people to see, or you want to push it to a repository, or if you want to submit a challenge, all you have to do is share the folder with us, and we will see all the files inside of it. So create new folder. I'm going to call this envelope. Okay, I'll call it magic envelope. We get a magic envelope. All right, create. All right, so that created a folder for you. I'm going to click inside of it, and I'm going to create our first new file, and I'm going to call it just index.html. It's kind of like the main page. You can call it envelope.html. You can call it peach.html. You can call it whatever you want. I'm calling mine index. All right. And it should bring you right into the coding editor. If your browser did a pop-up blocker, you can always go here and click the link to go to your canvas. So this is kind of like where we're going to do all our cutting out. This is where we're going to glue things together. This is where we're going to build together this envelope. All right. Any questions, guys?